Today marks an incredible milestone in our journey, driven by passion, dreams, and dedication over 3 years, bringing us to this magical moment. I'm thrilled to tell you about RTBT, the next leap in inspiration and connectivity supporting our inherent creativity. I invite you to reflect on your heart's deepest dream, the one that truly excites you, beyond societal expectation. That seed of a dream was planted in your hearts for a profound reason. Recall the limitless imagination of your childhood. Therein lies our key. Our innate creativity isn't just a gift, it's our most precious tool for turning the impossible into reality. In a seemingly connected world of apps and devices, we crave for more than just swipes and scrolls. In this endless content to consume and the struggling to keep up with our own contribution to be seen and belong, the essence of true connection keeps missing. Our mission is to unlock inherent creativity and inspire humans to listen to their hearts. My name is Sabrina, but I'm also known by my artist name Replica, a name that deeply resonates with my purpose. I see myself as a replicator of dreams, someone who not only envisions a world of boundless creativity and connection, but also brings into reality. In 4 years, our community have made creative events, workshops, and co-created art. And we found out that this additionally influences and stimulates individuals to finally follow their own dreams. Lifting the spirit and achievements of 50 to 100 people has shown the potential for much wider impact. What if we could take this globally?